Are you struggling to make money with affiliate marketing as a blogger? Now, for many years, when I first started doing affiliate marketing, I did a little bit of struggle, but then it started to ramp up. I did have some mistakes, and then I fixed them all, and then I figured it all out. And because of working diligently with my affiliate marketing strategy, I was able to make almost $70,000 in 1 year just with affiliate products. So I want to share with you the top 4 affiliate marketing mistakes that established bloggers or new bloggers might be making. All right, but before we get into that, I do have a new free guide for you that I want to share. So let's get to it. It's called Affiliate Success. It is going from $0 to $1,000 a month with affiliate marketing. And it's my little guide here. It's about 18 pages or so that I created just for you guys. And I show you a little bit of history that I say here. In 1 year, I earned almost $70,000 just from promoting other people's products. So here's a little snapshot of my inbox. Here's another affiliate. So those are different affiliates. Here's another one, $1,000 at $1,300, $1,200 here, $500, $800. And so you'll get your planning guide as well as how to add your affiliate links to your blog posts the right way and proven tactics to increase your affiliate income as well. And the planner is also fillable. So you can use it online if you want instead of just printing it out. I'll drop the link to that below so that you can grab your free planner. All right, so the first mistake that you might be making, and to tell you the truth, I'm still making that mistake, is to only rely on Amazon to make money with your blog. Yeah. So that is what I'm doing with my niche sites right now. I haven't had the time to sign up to other affiliates, but that is on the docket. I do want to, but right now I am just doing affiliate marketing with Amazon on my niche site, and it's okay, but it's not making me a ton of money. I know that I can make more money if I use other avenues. So I'm going to hopefully do that soon. But I mean, if you're doing the same thing, you're not making a lot of money. Like I can show you for my new site here, $37, $38, which is not bad. I mean, it's something, but I know I can be making more if I start promoting other things besides Amazon products. All right. So that's what I mean by just focusing on affiliate. And that's another mistake. Another mistake is to only have a handful of affiliates instead of having dozens of affiliates. With my twins mommy, I don't know if I have a dozen, but I have quite a few, like my hosting. I have a lot of tech tools for sure. And I also do Amazon too on that one. So I do have maybe hopefully closer to 10, but I could definitely add more. I know many bloggers that make 6 figures with affiliate marketing have like 25 or more affiliates that they promote on their blog, and they're making a substantial income because of that. So that's something to consider as a blogger, that, don't just stick to Amazon and don't just stick to like a few. Try to get at least 12. Start with 10 and work your way up and try to find new affiliates. And you can definitely sign up to people's products, other bloggers that you know. I have an affiliate program myself right here at profitablecreative.com/affiliates. And so on my twins mommy, you can become an affiliate for, or my other site here. And so you get a 30% commission rate. It has all the information right here, and you can sign up if you want to. But this is an easy way to find a lot of places to become an affiliate for, especially if you ask in Facebook groups or even search online for bloggers' products and then see if they have an affiliate program for them. The third affiliate marketing mistake you might be making is focusing on the income and not the value you might be getting to your readers. This is important because once you sign up to, a dozen or more affiliate products, you're thinking like, how am I going to promote this? What content am I going to put out? What am I going to do? All this stuff. But you really need to focus on the audience and how you're going to help them with that affiliate. So I'm an affiliate for Tailwind. So I'm going to find if I have a new Tailwind tip, if there's a new strategy that I have, I'm going to write about it and promote Tailwind that way. But it's always because I want to help the reader understand Tailwind and use it to their advantage. The same thing goes with Jasper. I recently became an affiliate for Jasper. And so I've been creating video content. I'm currently writing a blog post on Twins Mommy about Jasper, some cool new ways you can make money using Jasper. Anything that's helpful to my readers will ultimately help you as a person that's promoting the affiliate to make money. And then the last tip has to do with SEO. That you're neglecting SEO because you're focusing on affiliate marketing. I don't know if you realize this, but you can actually do both. I use Ahrefs, so I can show you there are a lot of keywords that are associated with affiliate marketing. All right, so if I'm doing sort of like a exercise blog or something like that, I can start searching for reviews of products or the products and see if they're actual keywords. So for example, the I don't even know how to say that, Fiton review. You can tell that I'm not in this niche, but it's a keyword. It has over 1,000 searches a month, and it's easy for newer bloggers to write about it. And so you can do a review of that, and you can see the top sites are here right now. There's also Gorilla Mats. It says it's an easy keyword to write about, over 1,000 searches a month. And again, it's a product that you can link to on Amazon or wherever and write about it. All right. Another one is the QB reviews. Another QB reviews gets over 7,000 searches. And so again, you can write about it as well. As a blogger, you do want to focus on affiliate marketing, but to maximize your income potential, you should also pair it with SEO. All right. So that's something that I didn't know for the longest time, but I started recently doing that. And a few of my affiliate posts are ranking in Google, either like the top spot or the top second or third spot. So that brings in a lot of traffic and a lot of conversions that way. So hopefully that helped you. Go ahead and download my affiliate success plan and fill out the worksheets, look over the tips. There's some successful marketing tips there as well, and a checklist, and let me know how you liked it and all that. Maybe I can add your testimonial to my sign up page there. So make sure you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel for more videos just like this.